spy camera pen. This here is your ultimate spy gadget. Okay, it's a little bit thick, but that's because it's got a USB here. So once you record your videos through this camera here, you then stick it in your PC and watch the videos you record. So what else is good? It's got a charger and also transfer cable and a manual. That's all there is in the box. So, how would you use this camera? You could be writing something and at the same time recording people. Or you can use it as a student, maybe during your lecture, and record a lecture so you won't forget it next time. But oopsie. So you can also use it as a pen. Anyway, and to start a camera, so here you have two microphones. To start a camera, you just, so as if you're clicking, there's a mic here. So you see this blue line? So you're recording now. And to stop recording, it goes to yellow. Okay, so if we look into the to switch the power on, press the button and the lights turn on yellow and orange firstly. Then the orange light will come on for about 5 seconds or so, and then the blue lights will come, indicating the device has turned on. So when you click it, so yellow comes on and then the blue comes on. So now it's recording, and when you click it again, it's switched off.